All right, we're picking up this project again. It's been a while. We got the rear axle off of it. Got the new one in the box on there. We'll unbox that and put it together. Is the internals kind of fucked up still?
That's what everyone on TikTok says. I haven't looked yet.
Cool. This might be more than I can handle right now. Some assembly required.
Yeah, we gotta put all of it together.
What you got? What you got? What you got?
So I ordered a motorcycle. It should be here next week, and I got a cool key ring for it.
No way.
Yeah, I'm gonna be rocking this.
Fucker, I thought you were being serious. So, James, what are you doing?
Everyone on TikTok says that it's something internal making this noise.
Oh, God.
So we're gonna pull the torque converter off, drain the oil, and pull this main casing off, so that way you can see all the internals and see if anything's broken in there or not. What the hell happened here? Well, we're gonna need another one, but torque converter's off. All right, so just a quick do around it. Take the casing off and see if anything's broken in there. All right, ready? Everything looks good.
Maybe give it a spin, see if anything grinds. I'll just spin the shaft, but I guess you can pull it. Oh, that piece is all grinded up.
This one?
This, see that?
Oh.
That's where.
Yeah, you can feel the holy. Whoever said piston rod's broken, you're wrong. This thing, I think it might be toast. I'm picking up the whole engine trying to spin it. I mean, yeah, I think this engine might be garbage.
No! It just means we can upgrade some parts. It'll run even better.
What parts did you suggest we upgrade?
Like, I could name a single part in here, dude. That back there is a
Piston rod?
It is a piston rod?
Yeah, back there.
Why is this getting all shitty?
So this is your output shaft, which is run by the piston rod. Or, yeah. Which, right. Hang on, I'm real tired today. Okay, so this is your, I believe this is your cam, right? They also adjust your timing. So when you get like a stage 2 kit, or 3 or 4, you'll get a new one of these with advanced timing. But basically, this is rubbing on something. I actually don't know.
See, it's rubbing all the way up here, so it's not just rubbing on that.
Yeah, I know, it's rubbing
Maybe
here.
Maybe it's rubbing back here.
But don't you think it'll be rubbing on all this too? Delete that part of me just talking shit, okay?
Yeah, edit.
Oh.
Cut that. Yeah, that's wobbly.
That's not supposed to be wobbly. That's good. That's good. Piston rod's nice and firm.
Is that broken back there? Or is that supposed to be designed like that?
The half circle?
Yeah.
It looks like it's supposed to be. So as you, like up here, this is kind of mirrored back here.
Right.
I don't know if you can see that. So maybe they're like meant to be timed, so that way they just miss each other each rotation.
It goes in and out.
Oh, wait, pull it out.
Here, I'll let you handle that.
So this, I don't actually know what this piece is for, if I'm going to be brutally honest.
That bearing looks fine. It was just sunk into that bearing back there, right?
Yeah.
Looks like those still line up perfectly fine, the gears. But why is it wobbly? I suppose it was probably being held in place right here, so it probably wasn't that wobbly in the actual casing.
Put the 10 back and a snagging 8.
Taking it apart from the other side?
Yep. I'm gonna put this in that metal bin. Right there. Yeah. Oh,
Oh, no!
And that will come off. Should we take this whole casing off too?
Yeah. I think we're gonna do a full rebuild on this thing. All right, while we've got it taken apart from every different angle, we might as well take the valve cover off and just really take a good look in there.
Oh,
looks like,
shit, no wonder.
Oh, what?
Look at this. We don't even have it on.
No shit.
Yeah, it's another one thing right after the other with this engine.
See, all the internals wiggle around in here.
But they might, like, because they're supposed to be held in on this side too, so maybe that's normal. This is the first time I've ever taken apart a motor like this.
Okay, so this pops up like that.
Yep.
Just gotta loosen that up, realign it.
So they need to be a certain tightness. It's like, because see how this one? Oh, that one doesn't have any play right now. Give me a second. See how that's supposed to have, like, it's supposed to have a certain amount of play to it?
Yes.
So if we loosen it and tighten it, we have to get a special tool that I don't have to try to get that tightness on. But what we can do, where's my screwdriver? Perfect. You don't want this.
I'm gonna rotate this a bit.
No. We just gotta push this valve down.
By rotating it.
No, because what pushes it is down here. You remember the little guys that fell?
Yeah.
So that's what pushes these two pins up and down, which is what pushes this up and down.
Right.
So with this, actually, yeah, you try turning it a little bit. Oh.
A little more?
Yes. Yeah, keep going. It's gonna be tough, but it's popping it back into place.
1, 2, 3.
There you go. Hey!
Oh, is that in? It's like halfway.
Close. All right, just gotta get this pin down. Okay. Fuck! I overshot it.
Overcommitted.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Got it.
All right.
Got it.
A little bit of play.
A little bit of
It's
play.
not popping loose.
Turn it. Okay, so that one's going down. All right.
Is it still more play?
Keep going.
It doesn't want to. Maybe I'll go forward.
Okay, there you go. Oh. Oh, no, wait. I see what happened. Wait, stop. Fuck. This whole camshaft just came out.
Oh, shit.
I was like, wow, it just got really loose for some reason. Where was my screwdriver that I was just using?
You threw it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this thing back together. We went ahead and did our best with timing. We don't really know what we're doing, but we put the camshaft as far back this way and then stuck.
Piston. We topped and centered the piston. And then there's a little green marking above the cam, and there's a little marking on the cam. So we got them dead center with each other with piston at the highest point.
Yeah, we just did our best.
So hopefully...
It probably won't run, but there's a brief explanation of what happened there.
If anything, we can just blame it on its skipping teeth.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Doesn't
we did everything right.
All right, so the 420 is kind of fucked up right now, so we're thinking about swapping it for one of these spare engines we got. We got the 212 back here. Just tested it. It has spark. You got the starter fluid?
Got the starter fluid.
All right. So if this runs, we're just gonna swap it on real quick.
Well, then we need to figure out an axle.
Oh, there's always something.
Yeah,
At least you have one that runs right now. We'll go give that a whirl later.
So. Ready?
You wanna record this on yours?
Nope. Proof it runs. All right, let's get this carburetor off, get it all cleaned up, and then we'll have a good running engine. Just threw some starting fluid in there. See if she'll run.
Alright, that's a bust. The axle was a bust. This is a bust. But we got this, and we still got to ruin this fucking thing. So, nitrous.
Nitrous.
Alright, we're doing that today.
Single shot nitrous kit here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to drill a hole, like right through here. And then just run the tubing right in there, right down here, just a direct shot into the engine. And when this engine blows, because 90% chance it will because of this, we're going to stick the swap of this 120 onto there and make a shifter cart.
Cool. All right, let's go drill a hole.
All right.
Yeet.
Ready? No going back. Oh, that was really easy.
Go through the whole thing.
Clear it out.
How's the hole?
It's a hole. I want it to be a little bit tight so that way no nitrous sneaks out. What we're just gonna do is run this tube right in there.
It just sits in there?
Yep.
Really?
That's my plan, at least.
All right. Got some zip ties or anything to... This is gonna be a super simple little addition.
Yep. And that's that. Now we just need to... It came with little mounting hardware, so I'm gonna zip tie it to like the frame up here.
Yeah.
Right? And then probably zip tie it maybe down here a little bit. But then there's a Velcro strap you can use. So that way if you want to use it, just undo the Velcro real quick. Just got a little quick. There you go.
Awesome. So we get to actually test this right here, right now.
Yeah.
This is the simple. How much did this cost?
$100.
$100?
$100.
And it's so easy to install.
But it only came with 5 nitrous shots, so gotta be careful.
So when you're inside this thing, this should probably be here. All right. Got that mounted there. It's kind of got some play, so I might find some electrical tape for it and move it around. James is changing out the tires. Get the ones with the drip sleeves off, and then we run it.
Yeah. See how much faster we can get.
Yeah. And you have the stats. I think you sent me a screenshot of how fast you did it.
It was on TikTok a while ago.
Is it 23? 28?
30?
30?
Something like
A noticeable difference?
I don't know if it's a mental thing, but it's noticeable.
Yeah?
Yo,
It probably is.
Zooming.
You definitely looked like you were flying. I saw you press the button and just the look on your face.
All right, we need a new bottle in it.
How long does it last? Like a second or two?
I don't know if you saw on TikTok, I sprayed it a few times, but I don't know how long it actually lasted.
How many bottles do you have?
I came with 5.
Came with 5?
You can feel just how cold that is.
Oh, it's nice on a sunny day like this.
All right.
And you can get a bottle of, or a box of 30 for 50?
50 for $30.
Oh, that's even
Yeah,
better.
it's just N2O, what they use in whipped cream canisters.
So like a whip it.
Oh. Still a little bit
Jingle
left, I guess.
bells, jingle bells. All right, we took out the carts for a spin. Now it's time to get back to business. We're moving this. Look at that, already. Look at him go. Jesus Christ. All right, we're gonna put the 212 on there and then try to line up the axle that we got. And that way when the tires get here, we can just throw them on and have a working, operating go-kart.
It's so much smaller.
Isn't this how this one started?
No. With a 165 Honda.
Right. So this isn't an upgrade, technically.
It is.
Like one horsepower. Like,
Going from a 5.5 to a 6.5, I think?
yeah, massive gains.
Full horsepower.
Just coming off that 420, it looks puny.
I know. It's so small on there.
So this should mount up. All the holes line up.
Yeah, all the holes should line up.
Cool. This will be easy. Get that done. Lickety split. We just realized an issue. The axle has its sprocket way out here. All right, you need a hand?
Yeah, help me level this. Here, wait. I got an idea.
You have an idea.
Hang on. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Now move that brick under this side.
Don't squish my fingers.
I won't. Okay, you good?
Yep.
Just wheelies. Okay. Where's the axle?
You put stuff in the weirdest spot. Right, as I was saying, the fucking sprocket kicks way out to the left, so you have to put the motor in a different spot, maybe?
So what I'm thinking is
Bearings.
we need to have it
those bearings even line up with the frame?
Probably not. Come back towards, like, look at it. Is it center?
Top down, yeah.
Yeah, it's center
Yeah,
right here.
That's center.
Well, these holes don't line up. Well, the backs do. So grab me 2 bolts.
What? We had, they're old and rusty. Here they are, you're stealing on them. Okay, next update. This brake mounting bracket needs to go on the other side with our brake. So, taking the old buzz cut tour.
Just over and miss this bolt. You don't want to hit that bolt because that's where we, yeah, we're gonna mount the motor.
Now, a whole lot of welding.
Shazam! Alright, so we got it halfway mounted, I guess, but it's on there, so now we need to figure out a way to create some room for the sprocket chain, and then figure out a way to mount the brakes over here, and then we can go from there with mounting the motor and everything, but getting close to figuring it all out. It's just like a big puzzle and we don't know any of the pieces.
Motor's gonna have to go here.
Yeah, we'll have to probably cut this plate off and move it over or something like that.
Outro, recap. What did we do today?
We got the blaster running. I don't think we ever really showed that. We're still working on the whole axle debacle, but we got the 212 running for it because the 420 is kind of garbage. This we ran nitrous on it. You can't really see it, but you can kind of feel it in your soul. Still got 3 bottles left, so more of that will be coming.
33 miles per hour? 32 miles per hour?
33.4. I will send Craig the little pictures. I'll upload them with the the bike. We got this running for a little bit. It died. I can't get it back started. Not quite sure what's wrong with it, but we'll figure it out. I'm guessing something happened to the new carburetor. Maybe it got flooded. Who knows? But
yeah, we kind of touched all the toys and
yeah, even though we didn't really make any solid progress on anything, I feel like we still had fun, and that's enough progress for me.
That's what counts.
That's what counts.
We're back, baby.
We're back, baby.